How to Control Hunger by Coach Alvin Velasco. Take it away, Coach. Good morning po.
Yes, hello, good morning. So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat and I'd like to welcome you once again dito sa ating portion na special topic natin to give you a few tips about nutrition and special topic na ito. It was everyday na binibigay sa atin but syempre bago 'yan, uh, let me share my amazing result. Okay? So my name is Alvin and I've been in the product for 11 years now, no? 11 amazing years. So syempre hindi lang ako gumagamit nito, pare na rin ang aking wife and my family too. So as you can see, weight loss ang result natin. Pero remember, when you are overweight, maraming kaakibat yan no? So I used to say my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat yan merong aches and pains and discomfort. So this discomfort would really lead you to certain illnesses kapag hindi po natin na-correct, no? And if you are overweight right now, you have to really understand na ang una talagang solution to really correct those things is to have your ideal weight. So work on your weight and everything will follow na. Very easy. Okay? So when I lose weight, kaming mag-asawa, si Noemi, 40 pounds ang nawala sa kanya. Ako naman 25 pounds and 7 inches in my waistline. Siyempre, maraming nagulat sa amin and they're asking us, what happened? Sabi ko, nothing happened. Pero katulad nga ng iba, meron palang opportunity ang Herbalife. Uh, when we started, akala namin ano lang to, this is a weight loss company. Hindi pala, this is a global na company that really uh, help people cope with their health, giving nutrition every day. So maganda din ang opportunity uh, to make this thing as your additional income or business. So ako, nung makita ko yung opportunity na yon, I grabbed the opportunity also na tingnan yung compensation plan nila and I was amazed that pwede pala tayong mabigyan dito ng career, no? So nakita ko all the way na pwede palang maging 50%, 50%. So tinuruan ako ng sponsor ko na, Alvin, ganito lang yan kasimple. Just share your result, then pagka bumili yan, may kita ka. So, pinag-aralan ko paano mag 50%, invite lang ng invite ng people and my first income, I remember, siguro kumita ako ng 12,000 sa isang ano lang no, sa isang client lang. Kasi yung client ko na yon is ano siya, artista siya, hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino yon. So, yung opportunity na yon, nakita ko na yung 12,000 na yon in just one sale, pwede palang mangyari. So, I focus on this one. And alam nyo, last month income ko, with this 11 years of experience sa training ng Herbalife, uh, pumapalo na po ako sa 100,000 a month. So this is really good income for you guys there na first, you have to take care of yourself, get the wow result, and share it to others to get their wow result also. Ganun lang po ang sistema ng opportunity dito. So nagiging healthy ka and who knows, you will become wealthy also. So our topic for today is how to control hunger, no? 5 proven strategies to curb your appetite. So ito naman galing ito sa ating site na iamherbalifenutrition.com and this is coming from Susan Bowerman. Siya po yung ating Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition, Education, and Training. So si Susan Bowerman, let me just give you something about her. Biological with distinction from University of Colorado. And yung masteral po niya in food science and nutrition, doon din sa State University na yon. She then completed, wait lang ah. She then completed yung education niya sa ating sa University of Kansas. So intensively and develop education programs targeted to individuals, groups, and industry and our areas of expertise including health promotion, weight management, and sport nutrition. So kung maalala nyo, siya din yung author ng itong famous na libro na to, What Color is Your Diet, kay David Heber. Kino-author po niya yan, no? And itong famous na LA-shaped diet, pwede po niyong tingnan yan. Napakagandang libro po niya, no? So, siya din ang author niyan. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung what is hunger, no? When we talk about hunger, ito yung desire or craving na gusto mong kumain, di ba? Ganun yun. But learning to control it, kailangan malaman muna natin to bago natin ma-solusyonan yung hunger na yan. Kailangan malaman din natin kung totoo ba na nagugutom ka. So, learning to control hunger is probably the biggest hindrance, no? Kapag naglo-lose weight tayo. Ito yung kadalasan as a coach, ito yung kadalasang naririnig natin, coach, nagugutom lagi ako eh. So, while other people, some people, yung counting calories, importante sa kanila, keeping food diary, or nag-exercise, pero hindi talaga matatapos yung araw na yon, nasasabihin niyang nagugutom pa rin siya. No? So this is a thing that we have to understand in order po para maging definite yung success natin sa weight loss. Di ba? Ganun ang sistema, no? Para hindi sila nagugutom lagi-lagi. Now, maraming dito si Susan Bowerman sa topic na to, how to really curb the hunger, pero ito, nagbigay lang siya ng 5. But, syempre, first step is to figure out kung talagang nagugutom ka ba in the first place. Okay? So, ito yung mga signs ng talagang hungry ka, no? Minsan tumutunog yung ating stomach. Me, myself, na-experience ko po yan pag nagugutom ako. Naririnig ko yung rumble ng aking tiyan, ano? So, yan po, talagang gutom ka na yan, no? Now, another thing is your energy level dipping? Talaga bang low bat ka na? No, maintindihan mo yung sarili mo na you really need to take food kung talagang halos wala ka ng energy. Kailangan mo talaga 'yon. Don't hesitate to eat, no? Then ano pa itong next is, do you have a little bit of brain fog and feel cranky? Medyo minsan malabo na yung pag-iisip mo. You cannot think well, and then iba na yung pakiramdam, no? When it comes to your head, parang lightheaded ka, yun parang nagugutom ka na. So, these are all common symptoms of true hunger. Pagka naramdaman nyo to, your body is likely to respond kapag kumain ka. Maalala mo, pag kumain ka, hindi na tumutunog yung tiyan mo, tapos nagkakaroon ka ng energy. So, that's the common symptoms, no, na that you have to understand. So, other than that, if you are eating for a reason other than this hunger, no, kung halimbawa na bored ka lang, gusto mong kumain, or depressed ka, or probably siguro gusto mo lang talagang kumain kasi nasanay ka. So it would not really do you good. Kasi syempre, aside from getting bigger, may mga kaakibat din po yan na mga sakit if you keep doing that one. So if it is emotion or stress that's driving you to eat, or if yung urge mo to eat something simply because nakita mo masarap, hindi ka talaga gutom nun. Okay? So, being aware of those things can really get you going sa weight loss program ninyo. Okay. So, eto na yung 5 na sinasabi ni Susan Bowerman. Hunger control is aim at curbing true hunger, no? Yung growling stomach, the low energy, the irritable that often nafe-feel natin, no? So, kailangan natin ng fuel, and fuel is food. Since true hunger na naturally drives us na kakain, no? We have to learn to eat healthy. Okay? So, merong mga pagkain na mabilis kang mabusog, or it will prolong your fullness. So, ito yung mga tips na to. Okay? Number one, of course, alam natin, protein. So, bakit protein? Protein satisfy hunger better than carbohydrates, than any other macro, or yung isa pa, yung fat. So, every time na medyo yung gutom ka, ang iisipin mo agad, ano ba yung protein na pwede kong kainin. Well, of course, given yung shake natin, kung talagang gusto mong mabilis yung recovery mo, just drink our shake. And if you are new here and observing our BNC, don't hesitate po na i-grab na agad yung ino-offer sa inyo na Formula 1 na shake na yan, because it has 9 grams of protein plus it has 24 vitamins and mineral. Ibig sabihin, mabilis ka makarecover dyan, no? And very, very low calorie. It's about 80 calories lang yan. In fact, yung protein po, it works like magic, no? Not only po sa ating digestive tract kasi mabilis siyang ma-absorb, but it also affects ang ating brain, no? Yung brain chemistry natin. In a way, that helps you feel satisfied. Magbibigay agad siya ng signal from the gut. Wow, it's amazing. All the nutrients has been given, and lahat ng cells mo talagang natutuwa sila. So you feel better, you look better. So napakaganda po, no, ng shake natin. So number 1 that is protein, no? Number 2, fill yourself up with watery high fiber food. So dalawa po ito, no? There are foods na talagang malaki ang content ng tubig, and aside from that, meron tayong fiber talaga na nandyan to really sustain yung parang bulk siya sa ating stomach, and we feel fuller. And fiber, alam natin na wala din calories yan, second to the water. So fill yourself up with watery high fiber foods. Water and fiber have no calories. Tandaan niyo po yan, no? But high fiber foods are bulky, kaya tayo busog. And take up more space sa ating stomachs. So parang they help to fill up, katulad ng vegetables. Wag lang yung mga starchy na katulad nung yung mga potatoes, something of a kind. Wag lang yan kasi carbohydrates yun, no? So yung mga iba like gulay, some fruits, mga very few calories per serving, because they contain so much water and fiber. Yung melons, pineapple, they are high fiber foods. Yung berries, it can also help fill up yung ating stomach para lagi tayong busog, no? And well hydrated, of course. 70% of our body is water. Kaya we need to fill up those trillions of cells. Kasi once na dehydrated ka, imaginein mo, trillion of cells, dehydrated lahat yan. So it won't do us good, especially when we are losing weight or in a certain program. So may makakatulong po sa atin, aside from our shake, to fill this up. Meron tayong fiber bun, meron tayong fiber and herb, And of course, to complete po yung ating cellular nutrition, kasi even if our shake is standalone, complete meal, a lot of people today is nutrient deficient. So you have to add vitamins and minerals to complete that one para talagang kuha mo lahat yung hindi magrereklamo yung katawan mo. Because our body only cannot tell us, coach, sasabihin sa'yo, Alvin, kulang ako sa vitamins, vitamin B, omega-3, hindi naman magsasalita yung body natin. Ang sasabihin lang niya, gutom ka. So while you are feeling hunger, kain ka kasi sinasabi ng body mo, gutom ka. But the body is telling you something. I need these nutrients. I need these nutrients. If you cannot feel those nutrients sa body mo, lagi niya every 2 hours sasabihin niya yon, gutom ka. Because he is trying to tell you that the body needs nutrients, particular nutrients. So tayo mga Herbalifers, hindi natin problema yan to get all the nutrients because we have our shake and we have our supplements as well. So ito, number 3, exercise can help control hunger. Totoo po ito, no? When you do exercise, a lot of chemicals po excreted sa ating muscles can really feel us better. So a bout of exercise can suppress hunger hormones, which can curb your appetite. But in order to sustain your activity, kailangan din po meron kang pre-workout na shake, and then afterwards, kailangan din po ng post-workout. Kasi minsan, nag-exercise ka, lalo kang nagugutom. Kasi hindi ka nagpa-fuel up yung pre- tsaka post-workout mo. So it's very important to remember that one. So the whole process, pagka hindi mo ginawa itong pre-workout na fueling your body, and then the post-workout, if you are in lose weight program, nagba-backfire po ito. That's why a lot of people would be discouraged or disappointed sa kanilang weight loss program. And dito sa atin sa Herbalife, madali lang ang solution niyan. All you need to do is drink shake before exercise, and after exercise, drink another shake. Or we have a very good post-workout na shake to, yung ating rebuild para hindi sumakit yung muscles natin after the 30 minutes window. You have to take that one. Ask your coaches about that one if you are very active kasi makakatulong yan sa inyo, no? So, number 4, drink fluids to help you feel less hungry. So, tubig. Drinking fluids with your meals make your meals full, parang tumutulong siya. And some people confuse thirst with hunger. Minsan, akala mo gutom ka, pero ano ka lang pala, uhaw ka lang. So, how much water do you need? We recommend 3 to 4 liters of water every day. It doesn't have to be plain water. Katulad yan sa picture na yan, mag-imbento kayo ng tubig na kaaya-aya na inumin, no? And make it cold para talagang masarap tingnan, masarap inumin. Okay? So, we have these beverages to offer para yung inyong hydration problem will be solved. It tastes good. Meron tayong aloe vera na juice dyan na concentrate that you can mix with our chamomile tea para mas maganda yung ating pakiramdam. And lastly, these techniques na pwede niyong gamitin, eating small frequent meals can help you curb your appetite. So ako, we've been using this one kasi kailangan kasi pag kumakain ka, huminto ka na 70% na parang gutom ka pa rin. So this will sustain yung balance ng sugar level mo sa katawan mo. And tip din with my 11 years na dito sa business na to, sa Herbalife and in coaching, I just make my client, yung last meal nila sa gabi, let's say, nag-last meal sila sa gabi is 8 p.m. So sabi ko sa kanila, you should have at least 12 hours na talagang ginagamit ng katawan mo yung kinain mo prior sleeping. So kung 8 ka natulog, dapat 8 o'clock ng umaga, you can take your shake. That would be helpful. Huwag kang kumain agad ng heavy meal in these windows, no? Pakain ka ng shake, aloe tea shake, yung healthy breakfast natin. And it will give you another 3 to 4 hours. So imaginein mo, your body is actually doing the repair, inaano niya yung mga cells na nire-recycle niya yung cell because no food is coming, no? Very low calorie is using your body. So kung weight loss program ka, talagang maganda. And yung next meal mo na talagang solid meal, alas 12 or alas 11 na. So how amazing is that your body recovers, your liver recovers, lahat ng naka-imbak dyan na fats, it will be used by your body if you use this kind of system. So take 2 shakes a day and I think you would really have a good result sa inyong weight loss program. And also, will provide you a lot of energy and nutrients kung ikaw ay gusto mo lang maging healthy or recovering from certain problems sa body mo. Okay, ito, last na slide. So, sabi nga dito ni Buddha, Hippocrates, Socrates, and Gandhi, one must eat to live, no? And not live to eat. Minsan nabubuhay tayo para kumain. So let's not do that one because that's the culprit kung bakit nagkakasakit po yung buong sanlibutan ngayon. And sa Pilipinas, 36.6% are being overweight. So kailan we have to share. And another thing, don't forget to attend the spectacular. Ask your coaches how to do this one and see you around. Thank you po sa pakikinig. Back to you, Jane.
Ayan, thank you po Coach Alvin sa napaka-informative topic, how to control our hunger. So ayan po, madami po tayong natutunan po ngayon. So kanya type 1 naman po kung tayo po ay natuto. Ayan. So, ayan, thank you everyone for joining. Sa mga willing po mag-workout for today, so meron po tayong free workout po at meron po tayong disclaimer sa mga mag-join ng workout. Health and fitness capabilities are unique to each individual. Information or exercise program provided on this online Zoom exercise may not be applicable or suitable to all individuals. Before embarking on an exercise program or increasing the intensity of your current program, it is important to consider your personal health status and consult with your doctor. Should you have any questions or concerns about pursuing changes in your activity level. So, ayan. At tinatawagan ko na rin po si Coach Melba Solon. Ayan po. For update for away, Coach. Good morning po.
Yes, hello, good morning, Coach Kay. I'm Coach Melba Solon from Las Piñas. Okay, I meet Herbalife, circling short story ko na 9 years ago na. So, 9 years ko na po kinakain yung healthy breakfast natin. So, background ko is I'm a group fitness instructor, so hindi naman ako ganun kalaki. So, energetic naman ako. Yan ang nangyari sa akin. Doon lang po ako na-aware sa visceral fats na yung fats na hindi makukuha sa exercise. So I took the program, doon po ako sa nutrition club, nalagaan po ako, naintindihan yung 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. Doon po naturuan ako tamang kumain na balanse. So lalo ako nagkaroon ng energetic pa rin ako, lalong naging malakas ang katawan ko, naintindihan ko yung nutrition. So positive energy, yan, nangyari sa akin, akala ko is healthy ako kasi nag-exercise naman ako. So, wala naman kaming lahi. Ayun, so acquired po. Ayan, nangyari sa akin is I was diagnosed breast cancer stage 3C. Sinuport ko po siya in my operation, my treatment, chemo radiation, but still feel good, energetic pa rin ako, and hindi ko masyado na affected sa mga side effect ng mga gamot. So, dala-dala ko siya kahit saan. Ayan po. So, with this community, yeah, no excuse. Kahit ganyan ang itsura ko, still nakapag-share pa rin ako ng nutrition natin dahil naintindihan ko yun. So, ginoal ko, nakatin ako ng local events yung sa STS and Success Training Seminar, yung first event ko. Kaya ginoal nalilibre na yung kinakain ko. So, nakakatipid na ako.